Hey guys, Brian with the Seat Shop. Today we're doing some Durofoam testing. We got a kettlebell here, 35 pounder. We got a Chevy Express van with new cover. Also got a new Durofoam foam cushion under there. We're gonna drop this sucker, see how much it bounces up. Then we're gonna strip the seat down, put an old factory foam on there with the cover, do the same test, show you guys just how well that Durofoam performs, how cushiony and soft it is. Freaking awesome, man. You can see how much the kettlebell bounces back up on the new foam versus the old factory foam. Let's put it to the test. All right, now we got the old factory foam reskin on this frame. I'm gonna drop the kettlebell, see what happens. Just think about every time you hit a bump, it's just like your butt turning into that kettlebell, man. You wanna ride in this old factory stuff that's beat up? Get you a new Durofoam. It's that easy. Make your life that much better, that much more comfortable to ride around. Man, go to theseatshop.com, order it up today. If you like this video, help us out and like it. Like always, follow us on all the social media channels. We put video content out like this all the freaking time. If you got a video you want to see or comparison, let us know, man. We'd be happy to shoot a video. Thanks, guys.